What affects resolving power of microscope? Wavelength, numerical aperture, refractive index, illumination. Wavelength and numerical aperture. Explanation. The resolving power of a microscope is its ability to distinguish between two closely spaced objects as separate and distinct. It is determined by the following equation. Resolving power, D, is equal to lambda to Na, where D is the minimum distance between two resolvable points. The resolving power lambda is the wavelength of the light or radiation used for illumination. Na is the numerical aperture of the objective lens. Therefore, both wavelength and numerical aperture directly affect the resolving power. A shorter wavelength and a higher numerical aperture result in a smaller d value, meaning a better resolving power, the ability to resolve finer details. Why other options are less suitable? Refractive index. Refractive index is a component within the numerical aperture. Na is equal to n sin, where n is the refractive index of the medium and theta is the half angle of the cone of light that can enter the objective lens. While refractive index influences numerical aperture, it is not a direct factor in the resolving power equation in isolation. Numerical aperture is more encompassing of all factors and their interaction. It's also directly in the formula. Illumination. Illumination is essential for seeing the object, but it doesn't directly determine how well the microscope can distinguish between closely spaced details. While poor illumination can hinder observation, it doesn't fundamentally change the theoretical limit of resolution, which is determined by wavelength and numerical aperture.